Healthy uses of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has several benefits that go beyond baking, from reducing heartburn to soothing itchy skin. Believe it or not, baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, can be useful for a variety of things, including improving your overall health. Its use has been applied to help alleviate symptoms from illnesses, soothe your skin, to even brighten your smile. Let's look at some of the benefits of baking soda. Number 1. Reduce heartburn. Baking soda can be the perfect helper for occasional heartburn. Baking soda can help treat heartburn by neutralizing stomach acid because baking soda is a base, says Niket Simple, MD, Adjunct Assistant Professor of Clinical Medicine, Department of Basic Biomedical Sciences, Touro College of Osteopathic Medicine. Dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of cold water and drink the mixture slowly. However, if you are having daily heartburn symptoms, then you should see your doctor. This remedy is for occasional symptoms, he says. Try these other natural home remedies for occasional bouts of heartburn. 2. Soothe canker sores. Baking soda can help soothe those painful lesions. When you have painful mouth ulcers, rinsing with baking soda and water neutralizes the acidic ulcer and can calm the pain down. Eating becomes easier. Try mixing a half teaspoon of the soda with a half cup of warm water and then rinsing your mouth. Learn other ways you can help stop canker sore pain. 3. Fight plaque. Brushing your teeth with baking soda can help protect your teeth from damaging plaque. Baking soda is a gentle cleaning agent that effectively removes surface stains from tooth enamel without being excessively abrasive. Using baking soda can be antibacterial and help eliminate germs associated with plaque. By reducing the number of germs on the teeth, the glossy surface of the tooth enamel is better protected. Try mixing a half teaspoon with a little water to make a paste, then use it as you would your toothbrush. 4. Whiten teeth. Baking soda has been found to remove many stains from teeth, so teeth are whitened by its use, but baking soda does not contain cavity-fighting fluoride. Using baking soda a few times a week, alongside a fluoride-containing toothpaste for the rest of the week. This will ensure the most favorable outcome in terms of cavity prevention, whitening, and safety. 5. Clean your food. If you want to effectively clean your produce, baking soda is a potent cleanser without contaminating your broccoli with detergents. The best way to prevent ourselves from ingesting pesticides is to peel off the skin of fruit and veggies, but some studies show that soaking fruits and vegetables in a mix of baking soda and water for 15 minutes can kill almost all pesticides, says Lena Velikova, MD, PhD, a medical director at Sinevo, Bulgaria, a medical diagnostic laboratory. 6. Deodorize everything. If you're looking for a natural deodorant, baking soda may just do the trick. The bacteria that make your armpits smell bad converts your sweat into acidic waste products that give sweat its odor. Baking soda can eliminate the smell of sweat by making the odors less acidic. Try patting baking soda onto your armpits and you may notice the difference. The same technique can be used to reduce the smell of stinky feet, and even help with bad breath. Baking soda can neutralize and disrupt the bacteria in your mouth and gums that lead to bad breath. The recipe for baking soda mouthwash is adding a half a teaspoon of baking soda to half a glass of warm water, and then swishing as usual. 7. Soothe a sunburn. If you spent too long in the sun or skipped a spot with a sunscreen, a baking soda bath can help reduce the pain. To make a baking soda bath, add 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to a lukewarm bath. Make sure the affected area is soaked thoroughly. 8. Soothe eczema and other itchy rashes. If you have eczema or another itchy rash, baking soda might be just the salve you're seeking. The National Eczema Foundation recommends mixing a 1/4 cup of baking soda into lukewarm water and soaking for up to 15 minutes. Then, while the skin is still damp, applying any prescription creams and a creamy moisturizer to seal the skin. If you have an especially itchy patch of eczema, apply a paste of baking soda to help reduce the itching and soothe the spot. 9. Boost your sports performance. Could taking baking soda help you improve your workout stamina? A 2019 study of cyclists, published in Nutrition, found that taking high doses of baking soda taken by the bike riders delayed the rise of lactic acid, a byproduct of burning carbohydrates in muscle cells and red blood cells, until post-workout, allowing them to work harder during exercise. When the acid builds up, performance suffers, and a similar 2017 study using female college basketball players, published in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism, achieved similar results, with the players improving in repeated sprints and jumps, and showing an increased ability to withstand a heavier training load. 10. Slow kidney disease. If you have chronic kidney disease, baking soda may help slow down the rate of decline in your kidneys. A 2019 study of 700 people, published in the Journal of Nephrology, found that the group who took baking soda over the 3-year study were less likely to reach end-stage renal failure and require dialysis treatment. This was compared to people in the control group, who received the standard level of care for their kidney disease. Overall, the researchers of the study conclude the use of baking soda is safe and can improve outcomes for the kidneys and patients. Benefits of taking a baking soda bath. A warm bubble bath isn't just a great way to relax at the end of a long, stressful day. Adding the right ingredients to your bath water, essential oils, Epsom salt, or baking soda, for example, can actually give the spa-like experience real health benefits. Though all are effective, each type of bath has its own bragging rights. Baking soda baths and Epsom salt baths, for example, should not be regarded as interchangeable, says Dr. Stacy Gimento, a board-certified dermatologist in Miami. Baking soda baths are typically used for skin concerns, while Epsom salt baths treat more serious conditions, such as circulatory health, nerve function, and blood pressure. Provided you have no known allergies, taking a daily baking soda bath for anywhere from 10 to 40 minutes is perfectly safe, even for down there, says Dr. Deborah Jolimon, a board-certified dermatologist in NYC. Rarely do bathers experience any ill side effects, but those who are pregnant, nursing, diabetic, or have open wounds, skin infection, or abrasions should not take these types of baths, says Dr. Michelle Green, a cosmetic dermatologist in NYC. Otherwise, baking soda has natural exfoliating, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties that make it a very effective remedy for a number of concerns, says Jolimon. By letting up to 2 cups of baking soda dissolve in warm bath water, you'll reap plenty of skin benefits from head to toe. Here, a closer look at some of the most prominent. Relieve itching associated with eczema. Thanks to its alkaline nature, baking soda can decrease itching and help soothe skin, making a baking soda soak a particularly useful tool for anyone with chronic eczema, says Dr. Sonia Batra, a board-certified dermatologist and co-host of The Doctors. Just be sure to keep the water at a more moderate temperature and limit your soak. 10 minutes or so should do the trick, as immersion in a long, hot bath can actually worsen your skin's condition, she explains. Remember to moisturize your skin right after you bathe while it's still damp, too. Do not scrub your skin with a towel to dry it, as that will irritate the skin. Instead, gently pat it dry. Soothe athlete's foot. Due to its ability to destroy bacteria and some fungus, baking soda can be a great addition to your baths to relieve fungal infections like athlete's foot, says Green. For convenience, you don't have to soak your whole body. Simply fill the tub with enough water to cover your feet, then perch on the ledge. Or, use a foot basin, if you have one. Tame a poison ivy rash. While an Epsom salt bath helps minimize the intensity and prevent the spread of a poison ivy rash, a baking soda soak is helpful if you're already experiencing itching. For best results, mix a half cup of baking soda in a tub of warm water, then soak for up to 30 minutes. Calm symptoms of a yeast infection. Because of its antifungal properties, baking soda baths can relieve, but not cure, yeast infection symptoms, such as swelling, burning, and itching, says Gimento. Studies suggest these types of soaks, or sitz baths, may even help prevent yeast infections in the first place. In one study, baking soda actually killed the candida cells that cause yeast infections. Treat vulvar vestibulitis. Similarly, Baking soda can also help soothe the itching and burning associated with vulvar vestibulitis, a syndrome that causes discomfort at the opening of the vagina, says Dr. Durga Sunita Pasina, a board-certified internist and locum hospitalist in New York. Since multiple soaks a day, up to 3, may be needed, a sitz bath might be the most effective method. In this case, a few tablespoons of baking soda dissolved in warm water should do the trick. Reduce hives. Baking soda is a natural antiseptic that can be used to soothe hives, too. In addition to adding baking soda to your bath water to soothe the itchiness associated with hives, you can also make a paste for more targeted treatment. Simply add cold water to baking soda in a bowl and mix until a paste forms, then apply to hives. Tame psoriasis flare-ups. One of the first defenses for this painful skin condition are medicated baths, and baking soda is one such treatment that's been proven in clinical studies. How does it work? It serves to reduce the often incessant itchiness and subsequent irritation, she explains. Alleviates symptoms associated with chickenpox. Chickenpox is a viral infection, so it's important to consult a doctor immediately, says Pasina. But if you're looking for a remedy to alleviate some of the itching, irritations, and inflammation associated with chickenpox rashes while any antiviral kicks in, you can try soaking in a baking soda bath. Reduce body odor. Thanks to natural odor-fighting properties, baking soda is often used to keep laundry smelling fresh and minimize any strange smells in the refrigerator. It can also be added to baths to help keep you smelling fresh. Soothe diaper rash. It turns out a baking soda bath can help the littlest set, too. Those bacteria and fungal fighting properties go a long way in relieving symptoms, redness, itchiness, and general discomfort associated with diaper rash. Never apply the baking soda directly to skin, which can further irritate. Instead, mix 1 or 2 teaspoons of baking soda into a warm bath and soak the affected area where the diaper rash has developed in the water. Do this for about 10 minutes up to 3 times daily until the rash subsides. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.